In this tutorial, I'll show you how to trade commodities on Trading 212. By the end, you'll be able to use a Trading 212 CFD account to find a commodity like gold, oil, or natural gas. Analyze its chart, place a buy or sell order, set risk controls, and monitor the position in your portfolio. First, open a CFD account. On Trading 212, make sure you're in the CFD account, because commodities are not available for direct, non-leveraged purchase in the Invest or ISA accounts. Look at the account selector at the top of the app or platform. If it shows Invest or ISA, switch it to CFD. Once you see CFD, you're in the right place and ready to trade commodities. Next, search for commodities. Tap or click the magnifying glass icon to open the search bar. Type the name of the commodity you want, like gold, oil, or natural gas. As you type, you'll see results such as gold, XAUUSD, Brent crude, WTI oil, or natural gas. Select the specific market you're interested in to open its page. Now analyze and select. On the commodity page, open the real-time chart. Choose a time frame that matches how you plan to trade, for example 1 hour, 4 hours, or daily. Zoom in and out to see recent price action and the broader trend. Check key levels where price has previously reacted. If needed, switch between line and candlestick charts to get a clearer view. For gold, you might see it labeled as XAUUSD, which simply means the price of gold against the US dollar. Once you've reviewed the chart and you're comfortable with what you see, confirm the commodity you want to trade by keeping its chart open. From here, place the trade. On the commodity page, select Buy if you think the price will rise, or select Sell if you think it will fall. This opens the order ticket for the CFD trade. Take a moment to confirm you're still on the correct market and direction before continuing. Next, manage risk. In the order ticket, define the quantity. The minimum is 0.1 of a CFD, so enter at least 0.1. Set a stop loss to limit potential loss if price moves against you, and set a take profit to automatically secure gains if price reaches your target. You can set these by price level, distance in points, or by the amount you're willing to risk or want to secure. If you're unsure, use price levels visible on the chart to guide your stop loss below recent lows for a buy position or above recent highs for a sell position. Double-check your stop and take profit values to make sure they match your plan. This step helps manage volatility and keeps your risk controlled. Once the quantity and risk settings look right, review the estimated costs and then confirm the order to place the trade. At this point, monitor your position. Go to the Portfolio or Positions section to see your open trade. Here you can track live profit and loss, current price, and your stop loss and take profit levels. If you need to adjust risk, open the position details and edit the stop or take profit. If you decide to exit, use the Close button on the position to finish the trade. Keep an eye on market movement and your predefined levels, and avoid making changes unless they align with your plan. That's it. You've used a Trading 212 CFD account to search for a commodity, analyze the chart, place a buy or sell order, set your stop loss and take profit, and monitor the position in your portfolio. Your setup is complete and ready to manage. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.